Yo, what's good? It's your boy Trey Little, and I'm gonna talk briefly about what I don't like about the iOS 14 update. So if you see my other video, you'll see that I talked about how I got my phone to look like this. It's the Hypebeast theme. If you swipe over, you can see I got my stocks, I got like my notepad, I got the time, I got like a studio picture. I'm actually here at the studio right now. Say what up, y'all. Hey. We at the studio right now, but real quick, so the iOS 14 update is like pretty lit. Like I said, I got the Hypebeast background. You can do a lot of customizations. You can't see it as clear for some reason because of my lighting, but the update is fire overall, like, you know. But there are a couple things that I probably would have changed, and I'm hoping that they do change. So as you can see, I got the black logo, the icons and stuff like that. Got the Tesla, got my stocks popped up, which is super dope, right? So the things that I would have changed, and they're probably going to do some updates once people start doing feedback. I know developers watch these kind of videos to get feedback and stuff like that from tech reviewers and all that. So look, what I would have done is made it to where when you click on the app, so for those who don't know, right, so I'm about to click on, let's see, my Photos app. So it glitches straight to the shortcut first, and then it goes to the Photos. And the reason it does that is because it's like a hack. So it's like you got to kind of get the Shortcuts app and then link it. So refer to my other video, I'll put it in the description. But once you link the app, it don't take you straight to the app. It takes you to like the shortcut, then it glitches over, which is like cool. It ain't really that much of an inconvenience, but then at the same time, you don't see any notifications on my like text messages. It's kind of hard to see it on this camera, but as you can see, you don't see any sort of notifications. It don't got 3, it don't got none of that. Like there's nothing on there. But then if you go to my, you know, regular text app, I don't have it on my phone. I got it in my library folder. But normally it'll say 5 missed calls. I got like 100 missed calls, 1,000 text messages, but it don't got no notifications right there. So hopefully they can update that. Just like Android. Android, you can customize it. But listen, I mean, we ain't here for Android. We're here for iPhone, right? So they got where they can customize it like super easy on Android. You can do all that stuff. And then the other thing that I probably would have changed is that, you know, needing like other apps like Widgetsmith and all that, they need to have it to where it's built in to where you can go straight up on here and just customize it and not have to use third-party apps. Like you should be able to click, hold down on the app and customize that mug just like that instead of having to go through these third-party apps and stuff like that. But at the same time, it is a big jump. Like I'm not really complaining. I'm just saying these are things that I'm hoping that they improve on. You know, my first video seemed to be really helpful on how to set your phone up like this. So, you know, hopefully this video help y'all and y'all can learn something from this. But DM me on Instagram some of y'all themes and customizations. Send me some screenshots at Trey Little. It's in the description as well, and I'll be checking it out, responding to everybody over on Instagram. So yeah, I want to see what y'all customizations look like. So like I said, man, this junk is dope, but hopefully they can change, you know, just the glitching to where it goes straight to the app versus like going to shortcuts and that. And hopefully they can add some notifications on there. Hopefully they can make it to where, like, you know, you can customize the stuff without having to go to these third-party apps, and I think it'll be dope. But let me know what y'all think in the description below. I love the app. The update overall is way better than what Apple used to be at first, and now it's competing with the Android customizations. Let me know what y'all think. Peace.